Yo, what is up, guys? Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another trade recap. Today, weird day. So we are kinda break even, not really. We lost like 30 bucks, as you can see right here. Bang, minus $35 on the day. The reason is ah, I don't know. Look, first of all, before market open, let me get. Oh wait, is the bro? Last time I recorded, the mic wasn't recording, and I had to record again. Okay, so I had to check. So first of all, we had a before market opened, we had news at 14:30, which is right here. You can see news highs, news lows, and then market after market opened, or yeah, this was still before. We were on NQ we were above these lows right here, and on ES we were below these lows right here. Okay. Now what I was thinking was like, okay, we might get a SMT divergence right after market open, which is what happened, right? So market opened, bang on this candle, and we swept out these highs on NQ and didn't sweep out these highs on ES. So this was a SMT divergence. And I was like, okay, we had a sweep of liquidity, so we swept the news highs. Bang, we swept the news highs and we swept these highs, and then this is like a perfect like short setup, right? And it kind of was, I guess. I don't know. I took the trade on ES. Why? Because on NQ we already moved down a lot, so I wasn't able to take the trade there. Um, this was probably my mistake on the first trade. I was kind of like like delusional about, oh, okay, and NQ is moving really fast. Why not just take the trade on ES, and ES might um pull down too. I was targeting these lows right here, which would be like these lows right here on NQ. And wait, it was I entered on this candle actually. Yeah, I entered on this candle right here. So after this close. And it's weird, like my bias was bearish, because of the SMT divergence. So it wasn't really, I don't know, if we look at the higher time frames, then we are kind of bullish looking on the higher time frames, but still it's like, bro, the SMT divergence, the sweep of liquidity looked mad bearish. So I took the bearish trade, lost it, and I wanted to leave trading right then and there, but I didn't. Why? Because I found another setup, which was sweep of these lows right here, SMT divergence, and then this looked really good because of the retrace that we got on ES. Bang, really nice looking retrace. And then I was like, okay, we what the fuck is it called? Fair value gap. We tapped into this Fair value gap, had a bullish reaction off of that, and I entered after this close, and then like market moved really fast, so I got filled above these right here. And I was feeling really emotional because my high time frame bias was bearish, but I took a bullish trade and I was like, oh fuck, was this the right choice and shit like that. And as you can see right here, bro, we nearly stopped me out, right? So it was really close to stopping me out, but trade went in my favor. We hit break even right here at 0.786, pulled my stop loss above, and what happened? Wait, I changed the chart, didn't I? Yeah. Put my stop loss behind entry right here, and then we just kept moving up, and I lost, let's see, I lost $192 on the first trade and made back $166 on the second trade, so like down $35. Now, as you can see right here, right now, my bearish bias was actually right, you know. So I mean, it's weird. I have to analyze it myself again later on because I want to really know what my mistake was, because I was really emotional after the first trade. Like I was like, fuck, like the bias was perfect, the swing of liquidity was perfect, everything was perfect. And like the stupid thing is like you can take A plus setups and still lose. That's like part of the statistic. And that's why I should have just stopped probably after the first trade. But bro, the second trade was a revenge trade, I guess. I don't know. Like there is good confluences and shit like that, but it's kind of like a revenge trade, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Oh, no, bro, my cam is lagging really bad. Okay, bro, you gotta ignore this shit, bro. Oh shit, it's like recording in like 1 FPS. What the fuck? Okay, yeah. So that's basically everything for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys learned something. I'm gonna check out like, yeah, dude, like my bias was right. And then the second trade, my trade was okay too, but I went against my bias. Weird day, shouldn't have traded at all after the first loss. Um, so yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace out, bye. Sorry for the face.